Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a small little tiny haul from Home Depot. I picked up another Milwaukee promo item, which is the 275 packs of blades. I picked up another one because I just like the deal. So now I have 150 blades plus 150 blades, which is 300. So please stick around, check out the video. Also got a couple other items, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Alright, so I picked up another set of these. I picked up a set of these today. I picked up a set yesterday. And the reason being is because these are $14.97 for 2 of these packs. They both have 75 blades a piece. These are general purpose blades. But the reason I picked up a second pack is I have an even 300 now because I picked up another pack yesterday. And the reason I like this deal so much is because if you go to Lowe's as an example, you can get these 75 pack blades from Craftsman, the red and black case, but it's only 75 blades for $14.99. You go to Home Depot, look at the promos and stuff going on right now, and today is May 26, 2021. You will see that these packs are 2 packs for $14.97 instead of 1 pack for $14.99. So it is a couple cents cheaper than the Craftsman pack, and you get a double pack instead of just one. So instead of getting just 75 from Lowe's, you're getting a 75 times 2 from Home Depot, which in my opinion is a good deal. That's 150 blades, and 150 again is 300. I also picked up, because right next to these blades is also this 12 pack of Inkzol clog resistant job site markers. I use these a lot. And I like them. I usually buy the individuals, but I usually get the the 3 pack. It comes with a black, a green, and a blue, or a 4 pack, and then I've gotten I have the silver and the gold. I have a couple of the blacks. I have several of the blues and several of the greens and several of the reds. The 4 pack is black, green, red, blue. But this is $9.97 for a 12 pack. That makes these 83 cents a piece instead of 97 cents a piece if you get the individuals. You can buy these at Home Depot near the tape measures where you can just pick one up. They're 97 cents though. So this actually, if you get 12 at 97 cents, it's somewhere almost close to $12. It's like 11 and some change. But this is $9.97. It's not a bad deal, so I picked those up. I saw them yesterday, just didn't grab them yesterday. And then the last item I picked up is a 10 pack of carpenter's pencils with sharpener. So these are Home Depot carpenter's pencils, and there is a sharpener in here with it. I like using carpenter's pencils for a lot of things. Sometimes when I'm in a hurry, because I carry these markers right here on my pants. These are Dickies, but these are carpenter's pants. So I got a couple different box cutters and a knife, and then I got a black marker and a green Milwaukee marker, and then I have the Milwaukee pen light right there. So sometimes when I'm working with wood, sometimes what I'm cutting off isn't important because you're cutting it off. Sometimes I use a marker to make it easier to see where I'm cutting. Sometimes I like using pencils more. It just depends. So I picked these up. These were $4.48 for a 10 pack plus a sharpener. And there is 10 pencils in here and a sharpener, so it's like a little 11-piece set. So these are the 3 items I picked up. And then the other pack of blades are right here. So there's 300 blades right there for 30 bucks. It's a heck of a deal in my opinion. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. This is not going to be a huge long video. Wanted to just share it with you guys. I'm not sure if this video is going to be seen before this deal is over. I'm sure that any of you guys that watch the channel, you guys go to Home Depot a lot, you more than likely have already seen these. It's all up to you guys. I will definitely post some pictures of this on Instagram so that way you guys can see it immediately, as well as I will more than likely post pictures of this on the YouTube community page so you guys can see that quickly. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Everything that I picked up sitting here other than this guy was 31 bucks. So if you add 14 to that because of this other pack, it's not too bad at all. It's $31.94. It's 46 bucks for pretty much everything here, including the one I just took off the toolbox. I do appreciate all of you guys for sticking around, checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I also do have an Also Tools link down in the description below. If you guys want to go click on that, you guys can get 10% off your order at alsotools.com. As well as I want to say thank you so much to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, the regular viewers, people that aren't subscribed that just view the channel, as well as all the people that do watch the ads on the channel, as well as all the people that use the affiliate links. It does put money in my pocket to help me bring stuff to you guys. I've gotten a lot of tools that I paid that are paid for by the YouTube channel lately. 2 Milwaukee M18 switch tanks for pesticide and fertilizer and concrete and all kinds of other stuff you can use those for. I grabbed 2 of those. An 18 volt 18 volt Makita, brand new, just came out. Impact driver and hammer drill, as well as the Makita 40 volt impact driver and hammer drill. That's going to be coming to the channel soon as well as a lot of the DeWalt Extreme 12 volt tools. Some of this stuff like this the channel has paid for. This in particular I paid for, not the channel, because I like stocking up on things. When I use blades like this, I use 3 or 4 of them in a day. As well as my wife uses these blades also for a lot of her stuff. So we go through blades quite a bit. I have Milwaukee, DeWalt, and Husky, and a few other brands of box cutter blades. But also got some Metabo tools coming to the channel as well. The new 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch multi-volt, 36 volt plunge router is going to be coming to the channel, as well as the newest variant of the Metabo HPT 36 volt hammer drill and impact driver. And I'm going to be picking up wood with the money that some of the money I get from the channel. We're going to start doing demo videos and tool testing videos. We're going to put hammer drills head to head and impact drivers head to head and more. So if those things interest you guys and you guys aren't subscribed, go smush the bell notification icon and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!